Hello folks, today is election day.
I am Sarah Bitches.
Sarah, take your pills.
In Barack Obama on Iraq, I should be president. My Obamacare will give everyone the health benefits they need.
Yes, Obama does care.
Now, what do you have to say about our public schools?
It's a bunch of shit, but I am not paying no money for it.
Hi, I am Mitt Romney and I don't care about schools, and fuck the poor.
Well, if I become president, it'd give $26 billion to help improve schools everywhere.
Vote for Obama.